Just a video of me painting a garage door with the Airless again. Garage doors are on the front of the home, so they're sort of a feature, so I like to do them well. It's the first thing you see when you drive up to the house is a nicely painted garage door. I'm using a semi-gloss acrylic paint for this house, and my Airless spray unit's set up with a fine filter and a 211 fine finish tip. Now you can see that I've got 12 inches of masking all the way around, including on the ground. I've taped up the bottom aluminium strip and the door latch on the door. Sometimes I spray that door latch with an undercoat and paint it as well, depending on the condition. But here we go anyway. Anyway, so that'll get another coat after that, and I'll just show you the finished door. So this is what the finished door looks like. That's dry, and you can see there how fine the finish is. It's nice and shiny. You can go full gloss, it'll be a bit shinier again, but it looks really, really nice compared to the old door, and it's certainly a feature of the house now. As with the 12 inches of masking, that's about all you need there. With the fine finish tip, there won't be any overspray. Thanks for watching.